It is Sunday, October 5th, and we just had a recovery of a boat. This was actually dry docked, so it was taken all the way from Detroit to Kentucky. Again, being towed, dry docked. It wasn't going down the road on the freeway as a boat, but this happens all the time. We do a lot of watercraft. It doesn't matter if it's dry docked or obviously in the water. Theft with boats is pretty crazy, but look how far this went. So we started tracking the stolen boat on the Detroit Industrial Expressway, and like literally nonstop all the way to Kentucky. How would you have found this without satellite tracking? Look how long it went in less than a day. And obviously they needed it to stop before they can actually recover it. This rarely happens, but at least now I can say, hey, look, it happened. But it got here by the police, and then look, it's in the impound yard right now. And there you go, quickly recovered. It's at the Grant County Jail. Impounded over in the corner here, nice secure area. But this is why GPS is so awesome, not just for boats, but for trailers, equipment, cars. Everybody gets Ring cameras for almost anything, and we've seen recently the power of video solving murders and crimes, and here's the person that did it. The problem with equipment is all you're going to see is a fuzzy little character driving away with their stuff, or maybe getting no license plate. GPS is the other part of it, where it's like, where is it? That's all I want to know. They never would have found this in Kentucky. I mean, come on. Anyway, just an example. We do this pretty much every single day. Not always boats on trailers, but trailers, equipment, cars, pretty much recovery on a daily basis. Our GPS trackers recover millions in stolen equipment every single year.